tip of the day, let's take a look at aligning dimensions. When aligning dimensions, you can align dimensions along the x-axis or the y-axis. And just as a quick reminder, when working with geometry inside of the Lathe CAD/CAM software, remember that you're going to be using the mill coordinate system. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. Let's begin by aligning our horizontal dimensions. Head over to the Command Manager, select Dimensions, and from there you want to select Align in X, which means we're going to be aligning along the x-axis. Now pick the dimension that you want to use as the target first, and then every subsequent dimension you select will be aligned to that target. That works exactly the same way for vertical dimensioning. Let's do that. We're going to go back into the Command Manager. This time we're going to align in Y, and I'm going to select the target and then select the subsequent dimensions, and notice how they all align along the y-axis. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.